Okay, boys and girls. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, all of the above. Today we're going to learn how to create an email signature in both Outlook and in HubSpot. Okay? You will have this document that I will be referencing. It has all of the links and step-by-step instructions, but we're going to walk through it together just so that there's no questions. So to begin, we're going to go here as instructed. So I'm going to copy this address using Control C, and I'm going to paste it into my address bar. It's going to take me to this site, Mail Signatures. Very creative, okay? So it tells me to go under number 3 and fill out my personal data. And anything I don't want filled out, leave it blank and it won't show up. Okay, easy enough. So my first name is Conrad, last name is Dubois. My job title, I am the Director of Business Development. All right, just kind of follow along with me here. Okay, now a few things. So first of all, we're under number 3. You can see it goes number 1, number 2, number 3, where we're entering our signature details. So I put my first name, last name, you'll put your job title, that's the one they gave you in your onboarding booklet, and the email address you made for Mid-Florida, okay? Now for your phone number, whatever you type, it comes out over here unformatted. So if you want to make it look a little bit nicer, you can put the brackets or whatever you'd like. I like dots, and that will transfer over to here just to make it look a little cleaner, okay? And then again, for the mobile number, I didn't want anything, so I'm just going to leave it blank and it won't show up in my signature. Okay, company data. You can simply copy this verbatim. Our company name is Mid-Florida Business Solutions. Our website is www.midflbs.com. And leave the street and address blank, okay? So yours should look like this now with your information if you're following along. Graphics. Okay, so once you reach the graphics section, upload your headshot photo to this website. So again, I'm going to copy with Control C, bring up this website. Okay, post image. So I'm going to choose an image. There's my mug. Now after the upload finishes, copy the direct link, and then I'm going to paste it into the photo URL spot. So this is the direct link right here. To copy it, all I do is hit that little box. Now it tells me that it's copied. I will go back here, and in the photo URL section, I will paste it, and my face pops up. Right? Fancy. Paste this link for the banner URL. So I will copy that. Go back into our signature creator, and where it says banner URL, I'll paste it. Now we're starting to look pretty professional, okay? Next, it's going to have me change the banner linking to website to https://www.midflbs.com. Again, I'm going to copy that with Control C, come back over here, and change the banner linking to our website. Okay. Under the style, I'm going to change all of the colors. Now I like it all to be black. You can see how this line is blue, this one's blue, this is blue, okay? If I just drag it all the way down to the bottom here, everything will change to black, but you can make it whatever you'd like. Finally, I'm going to add social media links as needed, okay? So we don't need this site anymore. So if I come back here, social media links, you can see by default it has all of them, right? But who has that many? Now I would only put links that you have set up for business, okay? For Mid-Florida, obviously. So I'm going to go to LinkedIn, and I'm going to grab my LinkedIn page. And to do that, you simply go to your page and you copy and then paste the link. So now if somebody clicks on that little icon, it'll take them to my LinkedIn page. Okay. Once you're satisfied, I'm going to hit apply signature. Again, we don't need that. Okay, so we're looking good. Apply signature. Now, for Outlook, and this is following along the next section here, you can see that under where it says choose your email platform, I have Outlook selected. Okay, So once Outlook is selected, all I have to do is hit copy right here and then go into Outlook. And I'm going to go here to this gear setting and I'm going to type in signature. Click on email signature. Now I already have one, so it's going to show up here, but you'll hit new signature, you'll name it. So I'm going to call this one test signature, and then I'm just going to right click and hit paste. And you can see there's my beautiful signature that I just made. Okay, I will save that. Also note, you can select when your signature is applied here, so you can choose your default signature, when it's attached to emails, whether it's attached to replies. So scroll down through all this and make sure everything's checked the way you want, and then hit save. I'm not going to do that because I already have it. Okay. Now, for HubSpot, okay, we're going to go back here, and in the top left under choose an email platform, we're going to check Thunderbird. Very important. You can see it's completely changed what happened over here. Okay. Now we're going to generate HTML. And this just puts our signature into a bunch of fancy code. Okay, we're going to come down here and we're going to hit copy. You can see all this is highlighted. That's all now copied to our clipboard. So then what we do is we're going to go into HubSpot and we're going to go to a company. Okay, so I can go contacts, companies, and I'm going to bring one up. I'm going to assume you know how to do that. So here I have Gulfside Mobile something. Okay, we're going to bring this company up. You're going to move over to the emails tab, and we're going to hit create email. As you can see, I already have a signature, so it's going to bring that up. But if you didn't, you would come down here to the bottom where it says insert. You're going to click that, and then you're going to hit signature. Okay, and this is what yours will look like. It's going to be blank. One very important thing to note, you need to be on the page that says HTML. Okay, if you're in the simple page, this is where you can just type text. That's not what we want. We want HTML, and you know you're in the right spot when the preview box comes up. Okay, so where you type your signature, we're just going to right click again and hit paste. And you can see that my beautiful signature that we just created is previewed below. Now, for most of you, you'll be done right here. Okay, you can check this box if it's there. If it's not, don't worry about it and just hit save. Your signature will be there for all of your emails. But if you're a little tech savvy and you want to add a little something to your signature, there's a few extra steps, okay? So in the advanced section, for those that want to add a book appointment button to your signature in HubSpot, here's what you're going to do. Copy this code, the whole thing, from the first bracket TR to the NTD, including the bracket, okay? Again, Control C. We're going to go back into HubSpot, and we're going to look for the section of code that talks about LinkedIn. So when you see this right here in linkedin.com, right, this is where we want to insert this. Now, right below this, you can see there's a /TD and then a /TR. We want to be in between them. So I'm going to create a space right there. I want to be in between the TD and the TR, and I'm going to paste that code. Now you can see that created that schedule appointment button in my email. When somebody clicks that button, it's going to take them to my calendar. Now, very, very important. For you, you're going to need to put your calendar link in here, which is right here where it says href equals https meetings HubSpot Conrad Dubois. Okay, you can see it's inside these parentheses here. You are going to need to replace this with your own meeting link. And I'm going to assume that you know how to do that if you're following along this far. So get your meeting link, put it right there in that spot, then check the box, save it, right? And that's going to add that schedule appointment button. And when anybody clicks it, it will bring them to your calendar. So that sums it up. Again, everything is in this document, start to finish, all of the links you'll need, everything to get your signature looking nice and professional. Okay, well, good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.